Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a classic New Orleans style sandwich called the shrimp po' boy right after this. Alright, the first thing I'm doing is pouring my buttermilk over my shrimp, just enough to cover it, a couple of splashes of hot sauce. That's going to make the dredge stick to the shrimp a lot better when you fry it. It's also better that you let it sit for like a good hour. The buttermilk will tenderize the shrimp a little bit. Now I'm going into my dredge with the shrimp. In the dredge, I have Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and some dry parsley flakes. So you just want to coat all your shrimp. Also, while you're dredging your shrimp, put your pan on your stove and your oil and get that all nice and hot. Right here, I'm making a cajun aioli. So I got mayonnaise, cajun spice, and I'm going in with some chili crisp. You got to have this in your pantry. You can go to any Asian market and grab this. It's called spicy chili crisp. All right, give that a good mix, and now you got a really good sauce for your shrimp po' boy. So right here I'm just slicing up my lettuce and tomatoes. And so now my oil is nice and hot. You want your oil to be about 350 degrees. And now I'm going in with my shrimp to start frying up the shrimp. And so as long as your oil is 325 to 350 degrees, it's not going to take no more than maybe like 2 minutes to get them cooked. I'm using medium-sized shrimp, so they're not going to take very long to cook. So once they kind of turn golden brown and get a nice crust, they're done. So here I am just moving them around, making sure none of them are sticking together. So I'm doing 2 batches, so I'm taking out the first batch now. And as you can see, they're nice and golden brown. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. If you're not already a subscriber, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. I appreciate everybody that watched my videos, but I also appreciate it even more if you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and give a like to the video. So here I am finishing up the last batch. So I went to the supermarket, got some good Italian bread, kind of like a sub roll. And I'm taking some of the bread out, so it's not so much bread. I actually watched somebody else do this. And now I'm going on to my bread with my cajun aioli. My lettuce and tomatoes. And just so you know, this is like a New Orleans style sub or a New Orleans style grinder. The most popular thing for po' boy is seafood. Fried oysters or fried shrimp, but they also put deli meats and everything else on it. All right, so I piled it up really nice with some shrimp, and here I am trying to fold this monstrosity. So I basically forgot to put the bacon, so I had to open it back up, get my bacon in there, and now here I am trying to close it again. All right, so shrimp po' boy pretty much done. Give this recipe a try. You definitely won't regret this. Trust me when I tell you, this is one of my favorite sandwiches to make. So I want to thank you again for watching the video. Also, a lot of people have been leaving comments saying, hey, we never see you eating the food in the video, so here you go. So I just want to thank you for being a subscriber. Thanks again for checking out this video. Also, check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Also, if you want to check out some great food reviews, check out my man Dark Knight 392. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. On that note, go forth in victory. God bless. Peace.